How to schedule a Zoom meeting in UVLe. The Zoom activity is one of the new features of UVLe. The Zoom activity allows teachers to schedule and create Zoom meetings within UVLe. The only requirement of this activity is for users to use their UP mail as their primary email address in their profile. So make sure to check your profile before using the Zoom activity. It can be used for synchronous learning, coaching, and/or consultations. So we can use this Zoom activity to conduct virtual classes or virtual discussions. So how do we create a Zoom activity? Well, we have to visit our course page, and just like in any activity or resource, you have to ensure that you are in edit mode. If you want to change the content of the topic sections, always start with clicking Turn on Editing. Again, if you're using a tiles format, it may help to click Expand All so that you can easily see the content of each and every course section. So to add a Zoom activity, say our goal is to add a Zoom activity under Module 1, just click Add an Activity or Resource under the module or topic section where you want to add that activity. You will find the Zoom activity under Other Activities. So click Other Activities, and there you have Zoom Meeting. The next step is to set up the Zoom meeting. This is just like setting up your meeting in the Zoom website, only that you're doing it in UVLe. So you have to write the topic or the title of the meeting, add some description about the Zoom meeting, what materials or activities do your students have to do before going to the meeting. Then you have to schedule, assign an appropriate date and time for the meeting, duration, etc. These fields are essentially the same fields that you manipulate when you set up a Zoom meeting in the Zoom website. So there's an option for a webinar account if your account has a Zoom webinar. You may also set up a password. If the synchronous activity is a graded activity, you have a grading option here. So I think this is what's new when you do it in UVLe. And lastly, click Save and Return to Course. There you have it. We've created Online Consultation Module 1, which is a Zoom meeting. So when students click this activity, the Zoom application will open, just like clicking a link from a Zoom invitation. So again, it is important to check that your primary email address is UP Mail. So to check your primary email address, just hover your mouse over your name and then click Preferences. And then under user account, you will see their edit profile. Click Edit Profile. And then you will see your name and email address. So check if the email address is your UP mail. So that email address should be your UP mail if you're going to use the Zoom activity within UVLe. That's the end of the video demonstration. For questions and clarifications, open a ticket at UP Diliman Help Desk. Visit helpdesk.ilc.upd.edu.ph. Upgrade to interactive.